Okay, we have officially demoed the kitchen. We, as in, you know. But we have the sink left only because there is a plumbing technicality, I don't know, complication that we'll have to address. Get a plumber out here. Could not shut off the water. And some pipes need to be reran or something. So other than that, cabinets are gone. See that? Even the big one here that had the oven and everything, cooktop is gone. He did it. Woohoo! That
Oh.
Yay, we're tired. We sprang a leak. So what exactly happened? The water line is broken?
The shutoff valve was rusted.
Yeah.
So the thing cut the water off. So when I start to remove it, it's kind of spreading everywhere. So, but until we get that fixed, we really don't have to move the refrigerator. I was just doing it now since we were doing it. There's nothing over here to demo. It's all over there. So.
Okay. What are you doing?
Shutting off the water.
Shutting off the water line.
To the refrigerator. That's what feeds the water line. Refrigerator.
Yep.
Shut it off. We've got to take it apart and move it out the way. Wires out too. Okay. All right, that's it. See?
Nope, can't. He's doing stuff that I cannot see.
Okay, so this isn't working, so maybe it's just water in the line. It might be off now. I think we got it turned off. Success.
It's off?
Yeah.
Oh, yay!
Yeah, success.
Mr. Williams, what are you doing?
Looking for wire nuts.
Looking for what?
Wire nuts.
I'm sorry.
I only found one, but I need two.
Okay. Gonna do a little cleaning up, I guess. And then we can leave. And then we're gonna go to the store and design the new kitchen so we can order the cabinet. That I'm excited about. All right, later people.